Today I'm going to show you this brand new feature in Etsy called Help Move Your Inventory with Make an Offer. So this is really helpful if you have inventory left over, like if you are doing something for a holiday or for a season and you want to move that inventory, or if you have new products that you're wanting to put in your shop and you want to make room for that, or you just want to make some sales. This is a great way to do it. So we are in our dashboard and we are going to go over to marketing on the left. We're going to hit marketing and then sales and discounts. And under sales and discounts, you're going to see it right here and it is new. So we're going to hit set up. Now you can do it for all of your listings or specific listings. So if you want to select specific ones, you can just check the ones that you want. Or you can do all of them. You can also do a section, so you can do everything that's on sale, or if you have ones for a specific season categorized, then you can select that section as well. I'm going to hit cancel and I'm going to do all of my listings. Then you want to see what is the maximum discount that they can receive. So what this is, it says you can edit your listings at any time, the selection at any time, and buyers will have the option to buy at full price. It may take a moment for your shop to update. So we can have the discount to consider, so buyers won't be able to send you offers below the amount of choice you have. So we can do 20%, 30%, 40%, or receive all offers. So I'm going to do 20% here. So for example, if I have a $100 listing, then I won't be able to get offers below $80. And they'll let them know that their offer is too low. So this is a really cool option if you want to make some sales, or if you're brand new and you want to bring in some sales, this is a great option for you. Then we're going to hit save and apply. And it is applied to your shop. It may take a few minutes for it to be up and running, but it is there for you and people can bid on your offers. Next, I'll watch a video showing how to send an email to people that have favorited your item so that you can make more sales and they come back to your shop. And I also have a video on 30 digital download ideas so that you can make passive income on your Etsy shop.